Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Friday asked income tax officials to maintain a tax-friendly approach while taking strict action against tax evaders, saying a predictable and fair tax regime is vital for India's economic growth. Addressing the 167th Income Tax Day celebrations in New Delhi, she said the department's role now extends beyond tax collection to ensuring fairness, efficiency, ease of doing business, and quality service. Focus on faster processing and refunds. Sitharaman said the Income Tax Act 2025, which came into force on April 1, 2026, has simplified tax laws by reorganizing provisions, reducing uncertainty, and lowering compliance costs. She added that the upgraded e-filing portal has handled more than 1 crore taxpayer interactions in a single day, with daily interactions touching around 1.6 crore at peak during the current filing season. Till July 21, over 3.2 crore income tax returns were filed for FY 2025-26. Nearly 94% of these returns have been verified, while 60% have been processed. Of more than 1.3 crore refund claims received, 96% have been verified and 40% processed. Strict against evaders, fair to honest taxpayers. The Finance Minister urged officials to continue reducing processing timelines, saying prompt refunds strengthen taxpayer confidence and improve liquidity. She also called on the department to follow the 5 priorities of responsive tax governance: recognize, respond, redress, reflect, and reform, and stressed that the implementation of the Income Tax Act 2025 must be supported through consistent guidance and continuous engagement with taxpayers, professionals, and industry.